Once upon a time, there lived two shady characters named Fred and Beau. They were both lazy and always tried to cheat their way in life, never working hard to earn an honest living. Hey, Fred, look at this. We could win a lot of money here if we win the annual Rice Cake Festival. We just need to make some delicious rice cakes and give them the recipe. But it also says here that if you get last place, you have to pay $1,000. Maybe we shouldn't enter. I mean, what if we did get last? We don't have that kind of money. We would owe them $1,000. Well, we won't lose. We'll win, of course. But we don't know how to make rice cakes. Well, I know a place in town, down on Main Street. It's called Gege's. Why, she's always having customers go in and out. Let's see if we can steal her recipes and enter the contest with her recipes. Boy, Fred, sometimes you come up with the smartest ideas. Thanks, friend. The two lazy men headed down to Main Street. The two men waited until it was just the right time to go into Gege's. Inside the shop, Gege herself was getting ready for the day. She was busy making a large batch of sweet coconut rice cakes, chocolate rice cakes, banana, blueberry, strawberry, and peanut butter rice cakes. The shop smelled delicious. Soon her first customer arrived. Good morning, Gege. How are you doing today? Oh, hi, Mr. George. I'll be right there. Gege put down a tray of blueberry rice cakes onto the countertop. I'll take those blueberry rice cakes. They smell delicious. I'll take 2 dozen of those blueberry rice cakes. You want to try them first, Mr. George? Oh, no. They're going to be delicious. All of your rice cakes are always delicious. Oh, you are too kind, Mr. George. Here, you take these and a few extra for your kindness. Here's your bag. Why, thank you, Miss Gege. I'll be back again tomorrow. It had been a long day, and Gege was busy cleaning up. She had many customers that came through that day, and it was a long, long day. Guess who came strolling in? Beau and Fred. Good morning, ma'am. We're looking for some tasty rice cakes. My name is Beau, and this here's my friend Fred. Oh, hello. Are you new in town? Oh, yeah, you might say that. We need some yummy rice cakes. Oh, you may try some samples. Here, help yourself. Oh, thank you, ma'am. And so Beau and Fred tried all the samples. They're delicious, ma'am. Oh, thank you kindly. How about the recipe? Oh, no. Miss Gege does not give away family recipe. Oh, no, never. All right, then. Well, I reckon we'll get 4 of each kind. All right, then. I will bag them up for you. And so, as Gege was getting busy, getting all the preparations, Beau saw something on the countertop that said recipes. He snatched a few and put them under his sleeve. All right, then. Here's your bag, sir. And good day. We will see you later. All right, then. Thank you, Miss Gege. All right, now, we've got the winning recipes under my coat. So we have nothing to lose here. Well, we might not win. Oh, yes, we will. We've got the winning recipes. Now, come along now. Well, it was the big day of the big annual rice cake competition, and the judges tasted all of the rice cakes, and the contestants were seated, and the main judge was up in front to announce the winners. All right, this year the winner again goes to Miss Gege and her delicious rice cakes. Miss Gege, come on up here. Yee-haw! Woo! Oh, thank you for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. And here is your $25,000 check. Oh, thank you, sir. Very kindly. Thank you. All right. And our losers went to the ones that lost the competition. They were the worst cakes that I've ever tasted in my entire life. The losers go to Fred and Bo. Wow! Whoa! Well, how can that be? I even stole recipes from Miss Gege. I told you we might lose. Oh, those recipes, those were children's recipes. I saved them. They write down recipes that they think I use, and then I save them. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, I told you we might lose. Well, you're gonna owe us $1,000. Well, we don't have $1,000, sir. Well, you're gonna have to work it off and get a job. I'm hiring, so you two can start working. And so Bo and Fred got their first real jobs, and they actually did a good job. The end. Hello, everyone. Today we're talking about the letter G, which you know says ga, as in ga, gap, ga, gut, and gla, glob. Okay? So you're used to it saying ga. But did you know it has a second sound? Just like the letter C, when it's followed by E-I or Y. Remember that little jingle? Ga says its second sound ja. Ga says ja when it's followed by E-I or Y. What did you say? I said ga says its second sound ja when it's followed by E-I or Y. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these little words. Okay, here it is followed by E. It's ja. Gem, like on my cheek, I have a gem. It comes off, so don't worry. And then here's a ant, giant. Oh my, they're very big. And remember the Y can be a vowel in a word, and at the end of a word, it's a vowel. Okay, so here it's I for Iggy. Ja-im, like you work out in a gym. Okay, so this is what we did today. Voila. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome, and it's time for letter art. Oh yeah. Okay, we're talking about the letter G, which usually says ga, and you know that, okay? Like in goat and gobble and, different things like that. All right, but here's the rule, and C is the same way. When ga says ja, it's followed by E, I, or Y. So just remember, ga says ja when it's followed by E, I, or Y. Just like Ellie said, okay? We're gonna make Gege's rice cakes, just like in our story. Okay, so here's our example. All right. Here's a big G. It's going to say ja because it's followed by an E. And this time the E has eagle wings, so it's E for eagle, okay? So ja, E, G, and there's a little dot there because it's two beats. G, G. Gege's Gege's, and here's ice, because it's followed by E, so that says Gege's rice cakes. Okay, so we're going to draw those. All right, so get a dark marker, and here we go. Okay, we're going to draw a curve for the bowl. Make it big. And then another curve all the way around, just like in the picture. Okay, and then there's a little diagonal in the curve. Okay, and a curve. All right, so we're going to start with the rice cakes in front. So you're going to start down here, kind of make them wiggly a little bit. And then there's another one right there and one more over here. Okay, so they're a little jiggly looking. And then start from the middle and go maybe toward the other one. Yeah. And then another. And then you could do it back here. Okay, then maybe put one more back here. That looks good. Okay, now we're going to fill in this. Draw a little line from there. Do some short little lines. These are called hatching lines. And then we don't really have any over there. I ran out of room, but if you do, you can do the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to do some hatching lines on this side. The light's coming in over there, so we're kind of doing some fancy art today. Some hatching lines over here with our ink pen, or if you're using a crayon, any kind of marker. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to cross over it. This is called cross hatching. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay, now we're going to put some dots a little heavier on the left side because the shade is going to be on the left side. So we're going to put some dots over here and a few on the other side. Okay, so keep going. There we go. A little heavier on the left side and a few on the right. Okay, and then we're going to put some lines just like in our picture. Okay, and then a little cross hatching on the left side. Just some little, you can just do some little texture, short little lines, yeah. Little textures. Make the line a little heavier on the left side. There you go. There's our rice cakes. Now you can color them whatever flavor you like. You know, like kind of a pinky red would be strawberry, brown would be chocolate, banana, kind of a light beigey color, and then whatever color you want for the bowl. All right, good job, guys. Hello there, it's me, Ellie. I still have my gem. Oh, okay, so we're talking about the letter G, which normally says ga, but here you see it's followed by an E. I put a little arrow there to remind you, so it's going to say its second sound, ja. And so this would be age. Okay, a woman never reveals her age. Okay, but if I put a ST, it's going to be age. All right, and we have dancers coming. All right, here we go. There's our first leaper. Oh, lovely. There's our second leaper. And our third leaper. Okay. Voila. Hello there. Okay, so you're getting used to knowing that ga can say its second sound, ja, when it's followed by E, I, or Y. You know that. Well, guess what? I'm going to throw in another loop here. We also have the three-letter ja. There it is, followed by E, and the D is silent. It's in gray. Shh, doesn't say anything. Neither does the silent D, but it does make this say ja. Okay, so this is the three-letter ja. All right, now, guess what? I have something very cute following me. It's a little hedgehog. Isn't he cute? Oh, just a little baby hedgehog. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm going to hold on to this, and my assistant is going to get Edge. Hedge. Hog. Okay, there he is. Oh, yeah. Voila. Okay, guys. I'm going to be talking about the three-letter J. Just one sound with three letters. Okay, the D doesn't say anything. It's in gray. Shh, don't wake it up. The silent E doesn't say anything. Shh, but it does make this say its second sound J. So this is the three-letter J with one sound. J, 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 three-letter J. Okay, guess what? I'm going to put this down. Thank you, assistant. Look what I'm wearing. It's a badge. All right, well, my neighbor made it for me because I raked her lawn. Yeah, I rake her lawn about once a week because it's hard on her and it hurts her shoulder. So, yeah, I rake her leaves for her. And she made me a badge, which I thought was very nice. She didn't have to do that. And I'm wearing it. So I'm wearing a badge. All right, we're going to spell it. All right, zoom in. Okay, so I need a B. Thank you, assistant. And I need an A for apple. Okay, and we already have the three-letter J. B-A-J. Badge, just like mine. And don't forget our list.